Hi, I'm Taylor from the Dan Plowman team. Welcome to 206 Glenabbey Drive in this beautiful area of Courtice. Here we are close to everything. We have the 401 just minutes away. We have shopping, public transit, everywhere is really close to here. This beautiful 2-story, 4-bedroom home has 9-foot ceilings, hardwood floors throughout the main floor, bright open kitchen. We have a large living room, family room, and perfect big area for dining. This house is perfect for entertaining. So we have this amazing family room here with our 2-sided fireplace. On this side we have our dining room. It's very good size, very bright open in here. So we do have our living room here with our fireplace, bright open windows to the backyard. On this side we have our kitchen with breakfast bar, sit-in area. This kitchen has been all updated.